Give us a little rundown on the old Gilson.
This right here, you got yourself a Gilson, twin 16 motor. As you can tell, I just ripped that sea cow out of it. I put this energy efficient twin 16 motor in here. Pretty much everything about the Gilson was invented and designed by twins. So you get that extra power because it's twin 16, twin everything, twin seat, twin spring on this bad boy. It's even got twin back wheels. You can tell there used to be a safety connection there. We just got rid of that shit because, hell, when you're driving a Gilson, nobody cares about being safe. Got a 42-inch transmission here. You can tell that state-of-the-art bearing systems in it and bushings. Just replaced everything with poly, so you know, it's got that noise to it. That means that you have a high-quality piece of American steel.
All right, see how they run together. All right, give us a walk around.
Give us some oil.
You gotta adjust that shit. This is the 19.5 horsepower turbo cooled Craftsman, exclusively designed for Craftsman engine here. Now you probably got some good oil pressure in your dipstick right there. That's the aftermarket dipstick that adds a couple extra horsepower for you. Now we got the air filter here. There probably isn't one in there. I probably took it out for fuel efficiency. And
you have the factory turbo on, or you got the fake turbo?
This has the aftermarket turbo cooled Super Craftsman turbo, and we got a nice little differential over here that you put the extra spark plugs in it and it runs a little bit cooler and hotter. And then you got starter right there, and this battery needs to be well, I took the clamp off of it for weight reduction, you know, so we could go a little bit faster then. And I think that's pretty much about it, except for this high-tech seat. I just did a little nice backyard job here to make sure you can keep it running when you're off it, so if it runs you over, breaks your toes, it's okay, not a problem.
Now what is this accessory up front?
Well, when you got the mower blades on there, then you can run the people over, and they put them down a little bit lower to the grass level, and you can run them over a lot easier than instead of trying to chop them up from the front. So I think that's about it, but you got this hydrostatic drive here. Now I'll tell you all about that hydrostatic drive. That's a pretty good hydrostatic drive that you got there, so you can go front and back and forward, sideways, whatever kind of reverse you want.
What are we doing?
We're gonna line up, do a little bit of mower race, Gilson versus Craftsman. Gotta see what the
We're gonna go down to the old strip.
yeah, we're gonna hit the old strip.
Line them up.
me a jerk if you can give me a push.
You have a battery charger?
Yeah, it's on the Camaro.
Oh, I wasn't even recording that.
I was just looking at it through my phone.
You guys said you wanted the hole there?
Do you have a set of jumper cables?
Yep.
Full speed it.
That's what was holding me up over there, too.
Hold on.
We need to go, man. Hey, that's good to go. Hold on. Started all in freaking or what? I'm going straight for it.
How?
Right here, this side.
Oh shit.
And like the entire wheel came right off the end of the axle.
It didn't even break on where it was pulling from. It pulled from the other side.
Gilson! Oh!
Yeah, it literally snapped.
Yeah, it's gone.
Hey, look, Mark Monster here. Oh yeah!
Can you give me a toe?
No.
So what happened?
I won. That's all there is to it. That's all you guys need to know. Pretty happy with my performance today. Performance of the Craftsman.
Nothing broke?
19.5 horsepower. Turbo cooled.
Still a nice Gilson.
That's it. No more to say.
Show us what happened.
When I took that old sea cow out like I showed you earlier and I put in this 16 twin, got too much torque going on, sheared the rear axle off here because of probably 3 to 10,000 horsepower on that one wheel. Should have invested in a posi.